relentless realm of modern capitalism, a hidden empire has emerged, shaping the fate of nations and millions of lives. It begins with the World Bank and the IMF, serving as financial architects. They extend colossal loans to unsuspecting nations, ostensibly for infrastructure development. However, these funds rarely benefit the people. Instead, they become a financial pipeline, channeling wealth directly into the coffers of powerful corporations. The consequence? Impoverished populations, devoid of basic amenities, held hostage by debt they can never repay. As the debt burden cripples nations, the predators return. The corporations demand a pound of flesh, resources sold at a pittance, strategic advantages surrendered, and permission granted for military bases. Resistance prompts the deployment of jackals, covert agents tasked with overthrowing or assassinating leaders who stand in the way of this economic machination. And when all else fails, military intervention becomes the final act, leaving nations shattered and populations in despair. This mutated capitalism, driven by profit at any cost, has birthed a world teetering on the brink, a world marked by instability, injustice, and imminent danger. To combat the root causes, we must acknowledge that our planet is our homeland. Only then can we unravel the complexities of this predatory capitalism and forge a path toward a more just and sustainable world.